How to plant lettuce with simple hydroponic techniques at home for beginners. Lettuce, or known in Latin Lactuca sativa, is a vegetable plant that is native to the valley of the eastern Mediterranean. Common lettuce is planted in temperate and temperate climates. Scientific classification of lettuce. Kingdom, Platy. Division, Magoliophyta. Class, Magoliosida. Order, Asterales. Family, Asteraceae. Genus, Lactuca. Species, Lactuca sativa. Lettuce is usually used as a salad or salad for vegetarians. Besides, lettuce is rich in nutrients and can help the diet program that is being undertaken, can be a blood wash, and can help treat kidney and liver disorders. Therefore, many people try to cultivate or grow this lettuce both on a small to large scale, but this time we will discuss how to grow hydroponic lettuce with a wick or axis system, following how to plant lettuce with simple hydroponic techniques at home for beginners. 1. Preparation of hydroponic lettuce planting tools and materials. The tools and materials that need to be prepared to plant hydroponically lettuce, including a. Nutritional reservoirs, which are places or containers for hydroponic nutrient solutions, can be in the form of buckets, cans, used bottles, basins or styrofoam boxes. B. Plant pots, not only net pots, or used cups of mineral water or other plastic cups. C. Axis. This serves to increase the nutrient solution from the reservoir to the planting medium. This axis can be in the form of flannel. D. Hydroponic lettuce nutrition, which is A/B mix nutrition for leaf vegetables. E. Lettuce seeds. Prepare enough lettuce seeds according to the needs and conditions of the planting area. F. Planting media. Can be rockwool, husk charcoal or cocoa pit. G. TDS or EC meter, which is a tool to measure the density of hydroponic nutrient solutions. H. Raw water, which is water that has no more than 150 to 200 ppm, for example well water, river water or account waste water. If you use PAM water, it must be precipitated for 1 week. 2. Preparation of hydroponic lettuce seeds. Lettuce seeds that have been obtained are then sown first using polybags, trays, plastic baskets or other containers with seedling media used with available planting media. If using husk charcoal, put the husk charcoal into a polybag or other container. Then wet the media until it's completely wet. Plant lettuce seeds one by one. After 3 to 4 days usually the lettuce seeds have grown or germinated. Lettuce seeds can be transplanted after 25 to 30 days of seedling. 3. How to plant hydroponic lettuce seeds wick systems. Prepare reservoirs, nutrient solutions, pots, axes and planting media. The axis, flannel, is installed in the pot/net pot with an axis length adjusted to the depth of the reservoir. Try the axis to touch the bottom of the reservoir. The spacing of hydroponic lettuce on the reservoir can be made 25 x 25 cm or 30 x 30 cm. Next, open the polybag of the seedlings carefully. Do not let the roots of the lettuce seeds break or break. Add the seeds to the pot and fill the pot with the planting medium until it is full. Make enough hydroponic nutrient solution with low doses. If the lettuce seeds have been planted in the pot, immediately place the pot on the reservoir. Place the newly planted hydroponic lettuce in a shaded place for 2 to 3 days so the seedlings adapt. Next, gradually the seeds are introduced to the sun. If the weather is too hot, place the hydroponic lettuce plant under the shade of the parrot. 4. Hydroponic lettuce care and maintenance. Make sure the lettuce plants always get enough sunlight, and the nutrients are always checked and don't run out. Always keep it stable. The provision of nutritional solutions for hydroponic lettuce can be done with the following doses. A. At the beginning of planting, age 1 to 7 days after planting, hydroponic lettuce plants are given a low dose of hydroponic nutrient solution, which is 500 ppm, equivalent to 2.5 milliliters of nutrients A plus 2.5 nutrients B plus 1 liter of water. B. Upon entering the second week, age 8 to 14 days after planting, increase the dose of hydroponic lettuce nutrition solution to 700 ppm, equivalent to 3.5 milliliters of nutrients A plus 3.5 nutrients B plus 1 liter of water. C. In the third week, age 15 to 21 days after planting, raise the dose of nutrient solution again to 900 ppm, equivalent to 4.5 milliliters of nutrients A plus 4.5 nutrients B plus 1 liter of water. D. In the fourth week, age 22 days after planting to harvest, the hydroponic lettuce nutrient dose is the same as the third week's nutrient dose, which is 900 ppm, equivalent to 4.5 milliliters of nutrients A plus 4.5 nutrients B plus 1 liter of water. 5. Hydroponic lettuce harvest age. Harvesting of hydroponic lettuce can be done about 58 days after seedling or 23 days after the lettuce seedlings are transplanted to hydroponic media. Thus we discussed about how to plant lettuce with simple hydroponic techniques at home for beginners. Hopefully the video that we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.